Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin in Fidelity. First, understand that while Fidelity does not sell Bitcoin directly to retail investors, you can gain exposure through a spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund, or ETF, like the Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Trust. This allows you to invest in Bitcoin's price movements within your existing brokerage account. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each stage of this investment. To begin, you'll need an active Fidelity brokerage account. If you don't have one, opening an account is a straightforward process online, typically taking just a few minutes. Make sure your account is fully verified and linked to your bank account. This linkage is crucial for funding your investments quickly and securely. Having your account ready ensures a smooth transition to the next steps of purchasing your Bitcoin ETF. Once your Fidelity account is set up and funded, you're ready to make your purchase. Transfer the desired amount of money from your linked bank account into your brokerage account. Then, navigate to the trading section and search for a spot Bitcoin ETF using its ticker symbol, for example, FBTC. You can then place a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to buy at a specific price, just like any other stock. After purchasing your Bitcoin ETF, you can monitor its performance directly within your Fidelity portfolio. Remember that investing in an ETF carries its own set of risks, and the value can fluctuate significantly. It's also important to consider the tax implications of your investment, so consulting a tax professional is always a good idea. Regularly review your investment strategy to ensure it continues to meet your financial objectives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.